How to enable two-step authentication on Google account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open Google Chrome on your device and make sure to log into your Google account. Now click on your profile icon and click on Manage your Google account. Then from here, click on Security. Once you're here, you want to scroll down and click on two-step verification. Here you want to go through all the details and click on Get Started. Once you do that, the first thing you have to do is select Show More Options and then choose Text Message or Voice Call. Then you want to click on Continue. Now enter your phone number and select Text Message or Phone Call, then click on Next. Here you have to enter the confirmation code that you have received on your number. Once you have entered it, click on the Next option. Once this verification is done, click on the Turn On option to turn on the two-step verification. After that, your two-step authentication has now been enabled in Google account. Now you can click on two-step verification and get the backup codes as well. Click on this option and then you want to click on the option of Get Backup Codes. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.